Hi, everyone. This website that we will be using for this activity is incredible. We have so much information about the 7 continents around the world, and you are going to be exploring every continent and learning about different information. So, I want to just explain to you a little bit clearer what I expect for this activity. So here is the Google Slides that you all have. You all have your own copy, okay? Now the directions, watch the video on the next slide. You are watching it right now. Now you're going to go to the website that I am also presenting, and you are going to use the website and fill in the blanks. This is not due tomorrow. This is due Friday. So some of you might be able to finish this today. Others of you might need a little bit more time, okay? But I do expect you to complete everything on all of these slides. And there are a lot of slides. So let's look at the first one. Okay, so for Africa, here it gives you the continent. So you have to go to the continent of Africa. All right, so we actually are going to go in order. Do you see how it highlights and it makes it a little bit bigger? So you're going to go into the continent of Africa. Wow, look at this map. This is incredible. It shows you the different landforms such as mountains, rivers, and deserts. Wow, this is incredible. It also shows you the cardinal directions, north, east, south, and west. Remember, never eat soggy waffles. Gross. Now, boys and girls, if you go back to the slide, our Google slide, it says gorilla. So I'm going to navigate you, and I want you to go and find the gorilla. Oh, there he is, the big guy. And it says gorillas. So what you're going to do is you're going to click in to gorillas. So it gives you a little information. Gorillas live in the tropical forests of Western Central Africa. These are called cloud forests because they are very misty. And we have to go in further to gorillas. Whoa, look at this big guy. All right, so boys and girls, there's a lot of information here. There's information on the side where it's telling you about gorillas. And if you were to scroll down, here's another little heading, I guess you could call that. And there's more fast facts on the bottom as well. There's a lot of information about gorillas. So what you have to do, boys and girls, is you have to read a lot of the information. And if you look for the first one, it says, these apes spend most of their time on the ground and feed mainly on blank, blank, and blank. All right, maybe I should start to read this. Gorillas are the largest of all the great apes. They may look fierce, but they are shy and peaceful unless they feel threatened. These apes spend most of their time on the ground and feed mainly on plant stems, leaves, and berries. I think we found our first fill in the blank. So I would have to type in plant stems, leaves, and berries. That's our answer for the first bullet point. So boys and girls, this might take you a long time, and that's why I don't expect you to do this tomorrow. And I have to say, it's really amazing to learn so much information about all different parts of the world. Now, I want to show you that on the last slide, it says, find your own fact and write about it below. So I want you to find a different fact that we have not read about yet. And there's a lot more facts that we could read. And then you can go into the website. If I want to go back, you can always hit the back arrow to bring you back to the continent that you were on. And if you see on the bottom bar, you can go to continents to bring you back to the home page. Boys and girls, this website is absolutely amazing. You can learn about so many different things. Oh, Sydney Opera House. It's incredible. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful, magnificent. And this is in Australia. And I just really love this website, and I want you to have fun with it. You're going to be exploring different maps, but you also have to fill in the blank. It's going to take some time, okay? Boys and girls, I think you'll have an excellent time with this. It might be a little challenging, and that's okay. We need to make sure that we're working hard when we are home. So boys and girls, I hope I'm answering and explaining the directions very clearly to you, and have fun learning about the 7 continents of the world.